Created by 3 dynamic international educators, Awesomenicity reimagines primary maths resources with engagement, real-life connections, and student agency at its core. We've created engaging and creative slideshows for each lesson, packed with concrete and pictorial examples to support deep conceptual understanding. Along with this, built-in challenges throughout the slideshow ensure that every student gets the right level of support or extension they need to thrive. Watch your lessons come to life with our engaging hands-on games, collaborative activities, and problem-solving investigations. Each task is carefully tiered to foster student agency, ensuring every learner is challenged at the right level and empowered to take ownership over their learning journey. Each lesson includes all the printables you need through seamless delivery, providing scaffolding, essential materials, and challenges to support learners at every level. Our flexible assessment approach empowers students to demonstrate their understanding in a way that best suits their individual need. Informed by the latest educational research and aligned with the UK, Australian, and Common Core curricula, Awesomenicity saves hours of preparation time while ensuring that every learner is both supported and challenged. Whether you're a teacher looking to bring some excitement into your classroom, or a parent looking for ways to spark a love of math in your child, our carefully crafted concept-based math resources will ensure your students develop perseverance, a growth mindset, and a genuine enthusiasm when approaching maths. So what are you waiting for? Dive in today.